Hi guys, welcome back to Hayari. Today I am going to show you 3 interesting Siri shortcuts. First, open settings, tap shortcuts, allow untrusted shortcut. Make sure to enable it. The first shortcut is water eject. If you go to beach or swim, you accidentally drop your iPhone on water, this helps you to eject the water on your iPhone through the iPhone speaker. Simply just tap this shortcut. It will show the battery percentage and tap begin water injection. Can you hear that sound? After the process finished, it shows. It's basically the feature from Apple Watch. The next shortcut is super low power mode. It enables certain options to consume the battery less as possible. If you are on 5% or 10%, this is super helpful. When you tap the 3 dots, it turn on airplane mode, you turn off Wi-Fi, turn off the cellular data and turn on the low power mode. All the options will be enabled and disabled. If you tap this, it shows to activate or deactivate. Tap activate and now it is activated. You can see that the airplane mode is on, the Wi-Fi is off and the low power mode is on. And if you tap again, it will show again activate or deactivate. Tap deactivate and it will deactivate the super low power mode. So tap to activate and tap to deactivate. This is so helpful in low battery percentage. And the last shortcut is Shazam Spotify. If you are listening to some music, if you don't know the name of the music, you can just tap the Shazam music and to allow the access to microphone. After you tap it says listening. Tap OK. This is easy to use. You don't want to go to the Spotify and manually search. You can just tap the shortcut and you can get the song. All the 3 shortcut link is given in the description. And guys, this is 3 top interesting shortcuts. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe my channel. See you in the next one.